Hey, free share alert. Hey, free share alert. Free stock alert. Hey, everybody that did that free share, free stock alert last time, if y'all still got y'all shares, y'all up. I know y'all up right now. I know y'all up right now. Now look, now y'all can sit here and play the rest of y'all. I'm gonna put it out, putting it out again. Free share alert. It's a start out. The Robinhood alert. Hey look, you can do it also. You hear me? Look, this how it go. You use my link, you sign up for the account. It's a brokerage account. That means you're an investor now. Yeah! You're an investor now. You own some shares in companies. You understand what I'm saying? Now they gonna give you a start out. So they gonna give you a share, whatever free. Apple, Microsoft, Ford, GE, I don't care what it is. It's free. Just take it, damn it. Damn. You know what I mean? And like I said, it's Robinhood, so it's a free commission. So you go put some money in there, stack your shares up, free commission, build yourself a nice position up in the company.